So I've been battling with this misfire, engine misfire, for like a few days. So it turns out this was the problem. I had interchanged the plug was fine, coil and nozzles. So I would show you guys what happened to this car in the next video. So what I did, I used this my beautiful tools, my Boss scope camera, my MV108 here, to use to look into the cylinder, and this was what I discovered. So this is the Boss scope inside. Now you can see that debris right there. That looks like a carbon or a broken valve. Then this is me turning over my camera to look at the valves. Now you can see that's the exhaust valve, and this is the inlet valve there. That's the inlet valve, and you can see on that side, this side which the arrow is indicating, looks like there's a crack there. And that's me turning my camera, and that's, you can see there, that's the exhaust valve.